What are you eating, Amelia? It's fried shrimp with salad cream flour.
What do you think, Amelia?
And mayo.
Okay.
This is a special
Simon wants a
Thailand
bite.
snack from the Universal Yums.
There's mayo inside of it.
Simon wants a bite.
Ugh.
Oh, Simon,
Yum.
go try a bite.
Give Simon some. Want to eat it all?
Okay,
Here,
go
take a
stand
bite.
next to
Here,
Amelia.
Amelia has it. Amelia, let's Simon have a bite. Go ahead.
Get yours.
Get yours. Go ahead, Simon. What do you think, Simon?
What do you think?
Simon, do you like it?
What do you think?
What did you think, Ava Grace?
Nasty. Nasty.
Horrible. Simon, you gotta
Amelia
share.
loved it.
Share. Oh, you don't
All right, here it is.
Okay, then I'm gonna take back your
Mayo in it. Gross.
Potato, shrimp, seaweed, and mayo.